Hello and welcome to the tutorial on unboxing and assembly of the Ceasefire trolley. Today we will demonstrate how do we assemble a double extinguisher trolley. So when we unbox, we get these two parts separately. One part is where we have the wheels and the bracket, and the other part is where we have the main frame. Let us now unpack both of these parts. So this is where you have the wheels and the brackets, with which you will also get washers and locking pin. So let us start now the assembly process. First, what we will do is we will unscrew and loosen up the screws at the bottom. This is being done to make room for the brackets to be inserted. So once we've loosened up the screws, we are now inserting the brackets inside and tightening the screws back. The same step is repeated again for the second bracket. Tightening back the screws again. So with this, our two brackets are firmly in place. What we will do now is we will start fitting the wheels. After fitting the wheels, we are securing them with a washer and the locking pin provided along with the kit. So after fitting the wheels, it is important to ensure that the locking pin is firmly secured. We will do this for both the wheels. So with this, the trolley is perfectly in place. Once the trolley is assembled, we will now mount the fire extinguishers on it using the Velcro straps. So as a first step, we will first open up the straps. Place fire extinguishers on it one by one. Tighten up the straps back again. And we'll ensure that the placement of the strap is somewhere at the center. We do this for the second time with the second extinguisher. With this, our trolley is now fully ready with the extinguishers mounted on it. The ceasefire trolley not only provides a firm place for the extinguishers at your premises, but also adds maneuverability to your firefighting equipment at your place. I hope you found the tutorial useful. Thank you so much for watching.